Let's go, guys. Live and direct out here. Everyone is jogging, got their phones on. You guys saw the thunderstorm we had last night. See what it did. This is what it did. You guys see that? Everyone is out here, guys. Look how beautiful this is. You guys see that? Amazing. This broke down last night?
I don't know, maybe yes.
Shit.
I think yes.
Wow. Did anyone get hurt?
It's huge. I don't know. I just came here now.
Yeah, because I do YouTube, you know?
Okay.
That's why I'm trying to get some clippings of this thing here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened. Maybe the orage?
You got beautiful eyes, by the way.
Thank you.
Alright. Yeah, guys. So I'm outside. Wow, this is beautiful. I never knew there was a lake down here. Guys, look at that. Lady was super nice. She's from France. Guys, look at this beauty out here. Saw what happened last night? This is because of the big thunderstorm we had. Broke the tree down. Look at that. It's a beautiful day, guys, outside. Everyone is outside, running, walking, jogging. So me too. I'm doing some walking instead of jogging. Look at that. Life is beautiful, man. And also, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on all notification bell, so whenever I'm dropping new videos, you guys will be the first to be notified, right? Let's go take a little stroll up here. Look at that. Who tells me that Canada is not a beautiful country? You guys are wrong, man. Canada is amazing. It's peaceful, it's clean, it's quiet, it's family oriented. And we don't have no shooting up going on at schools here. So that's amazing. Guys, look at that. Look how beautiful the trees are. And this thing right here, when it becomes like that, my nose get a bit itchy, my eyes start to run. I've never been here before. It's kind of cold though. Guys, look at that. What could be more beautiful than this? Can somebody tell me? This is kind of cool. There's a lake. I didn't even know there was a lake here. And also, guys, make sure go. This is kind of nice. There's a soccer ball on the table. Wow, this is cool. I like that. This is really like. So I make this. Did a good job, man. Is that metal? Did I see that? Welcome to Montreal City. We out here. It's a bit chilly, but still beautiful. So now we're gonna take a walk. I am gonna take a walk down to the lake. Oh shit, that's nice. My first time being here. Man, I never knew this place looked like that. Guys, look at that. Oh, nice. You guys see that? See the birds or the ducks in the water? Can somebody tell me in the comment section? Right now, I am downtown Montreal, Canada. Well, not downtown, Le Plateau. That's what it's called, yeah. Le Plateau, that's what it's called. And somebody tell me what's this place in the comment section. If you know, drop a leaf, drop a comment, let me know. And guys, look at that. That's why sometimes, you gotta explore your own city, because I'm here for so long that I've never been here. My first time. This place needs some more water. See, the water's all the way down. Don't be scared, little man. I love squirrels. At my house, I have some in my backyard. They always come and get some food. Look at that. I got some food in my car. I'm gonna give him some food later. What's up, little man? He's running away. I don't want to talk to you. Guys, look at that. So beautiful, man. But it is cold. See the trees? You need some food. What's up, homie? Everyone's outside just chilling with their family, husbands, wife, whatever, chilling against the lakeside. Oh wow, say what? Oh, they said not to feed the animals, the birds and the squirrel, not to give them any food. School YouTube. Hope you guys having a blessed day, because I am having a spectacular day. Look at what's going on around me. You guys see that? How could I be sad when it's so beautiful outside? That's one thing though. I can never own a dog. That's one thing I can't do. Is having a dog in my house. That's for me is a no-no. hope no one got hurt when that big tree fell last night. Guys, look at that. Could you imagine someone walking by when that fell down? That's amazing, man. I never saw someone do a vlog before. And it was what's good, YouTube. I hope everyone's having a blessed day and a super jolly good time. And guys, make sure like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Come and check out my channel. I got some amazing content, right? So go and like them, watch them. I got tons of videos on my channel, okay? So go and subscribe and not just watch. Make sure to give a thumbs up, right? Appreciate that. Look at this right here. Man, that was a strong wind last night. This happened last night. With all the thunderstorm and everything. Everyone is taking video of that thing. Okay guys, until next time, I'm out of here. Stay tuned. Turn on all notification bell so whenever I am dropping some new videos, you guys be the first to be notified. Alright? And don't just watch. Make sure to like and share. Give the video a thumbs up. Appreciate you guys. And shout out to all my real supporters and subscribers out here. I love you guys, man. Keep showing love. I'm signing off right now. Until next time, I'm out of here. What's up, guys? Hope you guys having a blessed day. So I will just speak less a truck guy, you know. Guys, if you're new here, make sure like, share, subscribe, turn on all the notification bells, so whenever I'm dropping new videos, it's beautiful, guys. Finally, it's been warm right here. Welcome to Real City. Also, guys, make sure you go check out my videos on my channel and leave a comment, like and share. That's good. Alright, check it out. She's happy, man. That's good. They said happy wife, happy life, right? Holy moly, guys. See that man over there? Got no shirt on. And it's freezing cold outside. I'm walking in the middle of the street like Superman. I think the birds are singing or something. Someone tell me exactly where I'm at right now. Leave in the comment if you know where I'm at. Guys want some clothes? You guys follow me or what? Why are you guys stalking me? You're gonna be on YouTube if you're stalking me.
What's your channel?
My channel? Rockford TV2.
Rockford?
Yeah.
TV2. Okay.
Alright. Guys, look at that. It's a beautiful day outside, man. But the wind is blowing so cold. You don't see much people in Montreal doing vlogs and stuff. So when they see you with a camera, they freak out, you know? But welcome to 2025, man. Social media is taking over the world, you know what I'm saying? Every corner you go right now, everything is on camera, so yes guys, that's what it is. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe. If you guys want to get some sales, some pants, whatever, there's a store here. you go on top up there. You guys, I'm out of here. Until next time, stay tuned. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe to my channel. Like, share, subscribe. And turn on all notification bells. Alright? Stay blessed. And I got a lot of videos dropping soon. So come back, like and share, all that good stuff. I'm out of here. Peace.